Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a reviewing or unboxing of some goods, some gel polish I got from Aliexpress. So this is it. I'm here to open it. I received it from a post office yesterday, so I said let me do the unbagging on camera. So I got these gel polish products. They are Born Pretty products from Aliexpress. When I got their PR package for the first time, I fell in love with their products and decided to buy more of the products. So I went to Aliexpress to get them. So I have these two. This, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Don't worry, I'm going to get this. I'll keep this aside and show you guys the other ones. So I ordered some, I think about 6 weeks ago, and they got to Nigeria yesterday or last week. I think last week, I think. So this is it. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought. I bought some gel colors. I bought so let me be showing you one by one. Okay. I bought some gel polish colors about I don't know, I think about, I can't remember the exact amount I bought now. Okay. So these are the colors I got. Very beautiful colors. I'm going to be putting them on so I got their I think this, I don't know if this is a top coat or a base coat. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I got some top coats and base coats. Okay, this is the polish. I think they are, is this product they have? Okay, this is their top coat. Okay, this is their True Beauty. Yes, this is their True Beauty. This is from their True Beauty collection. I don't know, True Beauty or something. True Beauty, I don't know. I'll check it and put it on screen so you can see it. I just love the bottle of the polish. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. So this color, I've been seeing this color on Instagram, but I don't have it. Do I have it? I think I have something close to it. So I decided to get it from them. So this is their top coat, super top coat. I use top coats all the time. I use base coats all the time. So they finish, always finish before the others. So top coat, 15ml bottle. So I got their matte top coat as well. I got their matte top coat for the first time in the, what do you call it, in the PR package. I love the effect, the velvetiness. I don't know if there's any English like that. And I decided to get one, the bigger bottle, because I love it. So I can't remember what I bought again. Let me check it. Let's check what's inside this. Maybe it's regular base coat. I think it's regular base coat. So okay, so this is regular base coat. So so the base coat, the matte top coat, the matte top coat. There's the matte top coat. Okay. So I bought these colors. They have beautiful colors on their website. You know, I just kept picking and picking. It was only money that was stopping me from buying more. So this is another top coat from them. Because like I said, I use a lot of top coats and base coat, so I'm always needing to buy every time. So I think this is a 7ml bottle or the 8ml bottle. So this, yeah, no wipe. Okay, so this is the luminous no wipe top coat that I bought. If you hear a voice at the background, my friend came to visit me with her baby, so the baby is running up and down. So this is the luminous no wipe top coat. You know, some people always ask for the luminous means glow in the dark. So if you are wondering what that is, so this, okay. So this is the second pack. I'm going to be opening this as well. I thought I got plenty, right? So I'm going to be doing swatching them on nail tip so you can see it. So this is another pack. So I got their transfer painting gel because I bought their foil. I decided to buy their transfer gel, foil transfer gel, so that I can get the perfect transfer. So this is the eggshell top coat. Yeah, the eggshell. So I saw it and I decided to buy it. So I got all these colors. Let me pour it on each other. Okay, so I got all these colors. So let's count them. So about 30 pieces, right? It's up to like 30 or 25, I think. So these are all I got from Bon Pretty. Again, I'm going to show you this one. Can't you see? This is so beautiful. Like, I love this. And it's not so expensive. I'm going to be putting the price I got this transfer foil on the screen so you can see it. These are gorgeous. Can you see them? And I can't wait to try them. So long. Okay, I don't know the length of these. I'm going to be measuring them. Okay, I'll measure this one so I can know the length of each of this. So this, I'm going to measure this. I'll be using inches. I can use centimeter as well. Don't mind my tape. I have to go and pick it from inside somewhere. So about 20. Wow. Okay. Okay. Please have some noise in the background. So about 39 inches. So that's about 100 centimeters. Yeah. So this, each of these is about 100 centimeters. That's about 10 meters, right? 100 centimeters makes 10 meters. So each of these beautiful foil, transfer foil, is about 10 meters. This, I wasn't expecting this to be this beautiful, you know. See, I've used some foil transfer foil. They are not as beautiful as this. I'm very sure this is going to come out well on nails. You know, when you stick it on nails, I'm sure it's going to come out very well. I'm going to be reviewing one of these so you can see it. So let's go to seeing the colors. I'm going to bring it out of their wrappers, and I'm going to be showing you what we have in them. So this is one of them. These are all the colors I bought. So about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yeah, 27. So I like the way it comes sealed. So you'll be sure that you are getting the original Bon Pretty product. You know. So you have to remove the seal when it gets to you, so you know that, okay, I broke the seal myself. So this, isn't it beautiful? And I like the fact that their gel polish are well pigmented. So I'm going to remove the seal of all this and come back again to show you guys. Don't mind my nails, please. So I decided to buy some fall colors, and unfortunately I don't have a model to work with this time around, but I will do one before soon. I'm going to do a fall set soon. So this is one of the colors I bought, so beautiful. This is another fall color I bought. So this is one of the colors I bought, beautiful as well. Another one, I think I got it as well. This is beautiful. Can you see this? This is so beautiful. Ah, man. And their polishing, it's filled to the brim, like filled to the brim. Can you see this color as well? So I'm going to put them on tips now so you can see them. I'll be back in a jiffy. So this is one of the colors. See, I've been looking for this pink for a long time. Let me show you. So you can also see through from here the color that is inside. So I've been looking for this pink for a long time, and I finally got it from them, from Born Pretty. So this is what this color looks like. And I'm going to bring just a coat, you know, just a coat of all the colors. Just want you to see how well pigmented that gel polish products are. Can you see how beautiful and well pigmented it is? This is just a coat. This is fuchsia pink, right? So these are the colors I've done. I've put them on nail tips. Can you see them? They are all very beautiful colors. I did just the coats of the colors. I just want you to see them close to their bottles. Then I'm going to be bringing them up so you can see them. Also, I'm going to be doing a sample of the eggshell and also the transfer foil. I'm going to be using them so you can see them. So these are some of the colors. Can you see how beautiful they are? I've added top coats on them. But even before I added the top coats, like I said in my last review of the products, that they have very little sticky residue. So this is what they look like. So I'm going to bring the next group up so you can see them. So this is the last set of the colors I got. They're all beautiful as well. I've added top coats on them. So this is what we have. So this is this. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews like this I'm doing, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So like I told you, I have a visitor, my friend's baby is here disturbing me. That's why I'm bringing everything here. So this is the eggshell top coat. Can you see it? Okay, let me show you. You can see it. I don't know why it's not bright enough. Okay, so this is it anyway. Let me put it on this. I want to see what it looks like. I already put this color. This is one of the True Beauty. Oh, okay. So it has these black speckles on it. So I'm just going to be applying it on this. Wow. Oh, okay. This is the way it is. Wow. So we have these black particles in the polish that serves at the top as a top coat. So you just apply it on whatever color you want to apply. And yes, I want to spread the black particles. So this is it. I've applied. Let me go over it again and apply it. Okay, so I can have at the back because a little bit scanty at the back. So this is what we have. Let me cure it and come back. So the eggshell, I don't know why it's not focusing well. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. The eggshell top coat. So you can actually use this on any polish of your choice. I just want to get this. So it serves as a top coat as well. And it's, so this is it. So now I'm going to be trying to use the transfer foil glue. I don't know why it's not focusing now. Okay, so I'm going to try this on a plane. So I think I should be carrying this for 60 seconds before I use it. So I'm going to be using this with the foil. Sorry. Okay, with the foil glue. So let's pick a pattern, a foil pattern. So I applied it. I'm going to carry it for 60 seconds. So we're going to be picking a color from this. I don't know which one to pick yet. I think I should pick this or this. I don't even know which one to pick. So let's pick this. I'm going to go for this or with this. So let's pick this. So now I don't know if I should just cut out of this or okay, so I won't cut out of it. So in case I want to use the other side, I won't have to throw it away. So I'm going to use this side on the nail tip. So it's cured. Now we want to apply this on this. I'm just going to try to spread it with my hand. I pray this comes out well. So I'm sorry this video is very long, but it's because all I got was much, so there was no way I could do it that will shorten the unboxing or unbagging. So I don't have that brush they used to rub it. I guess you can use your hand. I use my hand as well. So now we have to rub it well, rub it well. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So now, oh my goodness, wow, it came out so well. Oh God, I love this so much. So I'm going to be applying their top coat on it so you can see it. So I'm going to be using their super top coat. Wow, this is very lovely. This is the first time I'll be doing a transfer foil that's going to come out very well like this. I've never done anyone like this. They all end up, you know, coming out halfway. This came out well, except the back that I didn't press very well. Because if I had pressed this back for a longer period, okay, I would have gotten a better transfer. It's beautiful, right? I love it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching till this time. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.